If you are a shift worker, you know how difficult it is to find a good sleep after working a graveyard shift. Worry not now. Here's an inexpensive solution to that. Shift workers know how tough it can be to manage sleep and stay alert, especially during those late night hours. But scientists have discovered something that's made a difference: red light therapy. Research shows that exposure to red light can help regulate our circadian rhythms, which is crucial for those of on-swing and graveyard shifts. Unlike blue light, which can disrupt our sleep, red light promotes melatonin production, helping us fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Just a little red light in the evening can signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down. So, if you're struggling with sleep or alertness, consider incorporating red light into your routine. It might just be the game changer you need to feel more energized and focused during those long shifts. Thank you for watching the entire video. Your active participation would enable and inspire us to create more interesting videos in the future. We at the King's Exploits channel would love to get your honest feedback. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Further, pressing the bell icon will give you an instant notification whenever a new video is posted. Have a great day!